Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So click on the top right of the video to enter Discord, and I want to talk about ICP because Adam is happy about ICP. When ICP pumps, I'm happy, and I love ICP. I've told you before so many times. As a matter of fact, I'm showing you a video from 2 years ago, okay? 1.6k views 2 years ago. I was talking about Internet of Computer, a 60x potential, and I'm gonna get into the technicals. Don't worry, this video is I'm going to do a TA, right? But I really want to bring myself right in front of you. I don't really want my potential to be wasted because all this information is just for you people. So I want to bring and tell you what Adam Coins is really doing for people out there who don't understand what's going on. I do have one channel, and wait a minute before you even think I'm trying to sell you anything. This, I don't know, for so many people are going to say $249. Well, I'm giving for $200 with a discount. When you enter Discord, you click on my name and you message me there, right? Reason is, this course was made almost 2 years ago as well, and in this course I was talking about ICP. It's a 19 hours course with my 6 years of experience, putting all my everything, you know, about chart reading, how to research a coin, tokenomics. And some of you may have wondered, what really makes a coin good? What really makes a coin pump? How do I stop losses? If I'm a beginner, am I going to learn? What are the mistakes that you do? What is experienced traders are doing out there? Every single thing is right in there just for you to learn. Maybe one or two of you will be really grateful that I made this out there, because as far as I'm concerned, people are saying that it's one of the best courses out there, not me. Thing is, again, this video here says it all. I started with ICP. This is the first video 2 years ago, right? A 60x potential.
Do not just give you an overview of what is the internet computer. So basically they're like a blockchain computer that scales smart contract computation and data, runs them at web speed, processes and stores data efficiently. So it's like that blockchain project that scales smart contract computation. My attention, and at the moment let's look at the exchanges that it's on. It's on Binance, it's on Hobby, Coinbase. No, Coin market cap, this is that one for a reason, and 200 to 300,000 people have kept it on their watch list, Coin, which is huge in my opinion, and that could add, along with and Reddit, you can chat, and they have like, this is their Definity GitHub, and they have like 43 repositories right there. And I mean, if you're a developer, computer interface specification, this is their white paper in here, and it's a nice white paper. Look how much it's been written, guys. This coin is a gemstone, and that's the only one phase of Definity Foundation, and you can see 450,000 followers. It's been accumulated, guys. It's been, people are buying and selling,
Right, so that was one video 2 years ago. This is another video that I made 8 days ago. So retested 54% pump, which is recently now. So let's talk about it, because this was at $9.665.
Update today. If everything goes fine, if everything goes perfectly well, I do expect ICP to literally touch $15.2. So that's going to be nearly a move up of 58%.
Right, so this was how many days ago? 8 days ago. Another video, just very quickly before I get into the today's TA. This was 5 days ago, and I said that 6 more days are left for a decision.
Move to the upside as well, and this has a decision coming by 31 of December. Okay, so you may stretch the movement until 30, and that's why I told you.
Now the purpose of why I actually showed you all of this before I get into it is because this first video, if you notice, I was talking about the project itself, which goes in a very great detail inside here. And the second part of it is I was telling you about the technicals as well. So researching a good project, oh my goodness, it is going to pay you off, right? I entered my average buying for ICP is $7, and right now ICP is at 13, and I'm literally waiting for that 15. I've never touched anything else. You can see from 6 days ago, everything is just the same, and we are literally coming up to that 15.227 technical target, right? And as the thumbnail also says, $80 is my target, which may not be today, tomorrow, next week, but eventually somewhere in 2024 or 2025. It's a realistic technical target that I'm giving you. $40, $80, and yeah, you may not see $80 coming straight forward. We might see ups and downs in the future and just continue to the upside. I've talked about a follow the smart money. If you go back into the monthly time frame, ICP has had a very big purchase. Okay, I've told you the volume literally just break out of it. Okay, smart money bought a lot of ICPs right there. Institutional traders bought the ICP. All right, not retail traders. Who is an institutional trader? Who is a retail trader? Nobody knows any of this thing. Again, it's in here. I'm sorry if it's too much of a promotion, but it's something that some of you have to give it a look. Message me. You won't be disappointed. I haven't disappointed you with ICP literally from day one. And it's just the beginning. Even though some people may say, hey, ICP pumped. Is it time for me to buy? I mean, zoom out. It hasn't done anything even though it's at $13. If you look at it, if you zoom out, it's at the bottom. It's here. It's still down there, right? Zoom out. And even if ICP says, oh, I'm going to go to 7, I'm going to go to 8, I'm going to go to 4, I'm going to go to 3. It doesn't really matter when you talk about a long term. I personally made some few videos 2 years ago, and I closed it. I closed everything. Okay, I even told some of my members on the premium, which closes today, okay, last day for premium entry, that get ICPs, and this was back in 2022 December, right? Literally ICP was at $5 as well. I have a video. If you want to know that video, any proof, get into the private. I'm going to tell you that video. ICP was one of those coins that I've been telling people to get. All right. Now I want to check the lower time frames and what's happening on the lower time frames here. All I can say is there is a pattern, and that's a movement like a push to the upside, a sideways consolidation, a break above, and that's it. You see, your technical target goes because of that bull pennant. From there to there, you're looking for a push, and that's literally dragging you to that 15.22. You may say $16. I'm just going to say $15-16 ranges is where ICP is looking to go on to. Congratulations to any one of you who are watching. They actually traded, because you are literally up by right now. This is nearly 39%, 40%, okay, and still 20% more movement is left. So if you're not subscribed, if you're not following the channel, follow the channel, because I'm going to update about ICP as far as it's hot right now. And that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.